Hi there, this is Jacob Nash, Engineering Lessons, and this is Unit 1.2, Lesson 3. So, in this lesson we'll be talking about series circuits and different rules for these circuits that will differ from the parallel circuit that we'll talk about in the next video. So, there are different rules for a series circuit, and they can help you solve problems when you're dealing with a series circuit. So they're connected end to end, the components are, and there is a single path only. This is something that could tell you whether it is a series circuit or a parallel circuit. So it has a single path. So in other words, it only has, the electrons only have one way to go, and if that one way is cut or not available, then the whole thing will not work. And this is different from the parallel circuit, so keep that in mind. Then the next rule is that to find the total current, which I told you that current can be used with the letter I, and total can just be a subscript T, and that's going to equal all of the different possible current components that there can be. So you might see something that looks like this with 3 dots. Those 3 dots mean that it could go up to any number. There could be even like 100, but it's just saying that all of these are going to be equal to each other. You might also see I with the N subscript. That means the same thing. If you didn't watch the last unit's videos, a subscript is so let me just show you. So you have a letter. In this case, it's an I, and there's something that could go up here, something that could go down here. This is called the superscript. This is called subscript. So the superscript is up here. That might be an exponent like 2. And then it could be a letter down here, N. That's what that is. So it's probably quicker to do this. Okay, yeah, let me just pause for a second. Yeah, this thing's kind of frustrating because it sometimes just puts back what I just erased or something like that. But then so that's the other thing, and then the third rule is that the total resistance for a series circuit is going to equal the sum of all the different resistors. So resistor 1 plus resistor 2 plus the 3 dots, which means any amount that there could be in that problem. So there could be 286, and it would still apply. All of the sum of them equals the total. Then the next rule is that the total voltage is going to equal the sum of them as well. So V1 plus V2 plus and so on. So here's what a series circuit would look like. It could have a battery. Remember that that's how you draw it. I mentioned that in the last one. And then it would have a wire. It might have a resistor here. Okay, yeah, that's why I hate this thing. Okay. Then it might have one. Oh, gosh, what the heck? They might have one right here, It's just an example. And yeah, I wouldn't connect back there. Dumb thing. There. Good. So, how you know this is a series circuit is because it only has one path. And this is what the path is. It goes like this. And you'll see in the next video what a parallel circuit would look like. But as far as a series circuit, that's all there is. But using these 4 rules, you can solve problems for a series circuit once I give an example in lesson 5. But lesson 4 is next on parallel circuits. So please watch that. Thank you.